Hello everyone, so today I'm going to tell you the 24 consonant sounds and I'm also going to teach you how to pronounce them. So let's get started. The first one is this, P. This is looking like P, but it's P. To make a sound, we have to give this slash, like 2 slashes. So when you want to make a sound, then give 2 slashes. The next one is this one, B. B for book. Then T, T, T for tree. Then we have D, D, D for day. Then the next one, it's a bit hard to write, but the sound is so easy, and it's ch, ch, ch for chair. Then next one is really easy to pronounce, and it's j, j, j for January. Then k, k, k for cat, k, and car. Then we have g, g, g for go. So let's practice with me. P, b, t, d, sh, j, k, and then g. So let's see the next one. This one is C for photo, friends. And then we have this one. It's really easy to write, but when you pronounce, you have to like this. V, v, v. For example, van. Then we have this one. And it's th, th, like think. When you pronounce think, the first sound will be th, th. Then we have this one. And it's the for them. Then it's looking like S, but it's S for sorry. And the next one is this. It's Z, Z. For example, zoo. Then we have it's. It's sh, sh, sh for ship. Then this one, it's actually looking like a tree, but it's j, j. For example, television. So let's practice with me. Th, the, z, sh, j. Okay? Then we have this one. It's looking like but it's For example, mango. Then an. It's looking an, but the sound will be n. N for knit. And then this one. This kind of like an, but the sound is ng. For example, morning. Here we are saying ng and morning. So then the next one. This one. It's like J, but it's actually yeah. Yeah for yes. Then we have it's. H. H for honey. Then L. L for lake. And then we have W. W for what. And the last one is R. Well, it's like R. For example, rat. Like, see, you have to make the sound from here. R. R for rat. So, guys, can you try one time with me? So, let's see. P. B. T. D. Sh. J. K. G. Then V. Th. The. Z, j. Then n, ing, y, h, l, w, r. So that's all for today. I hope you like it. Thank you.